Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today topic what is covered by building insurance in USA full detail. In this video, please watch my full video and subscribe my channel, share my channel, comment my channel and like my channel. Today topic interested topic and interested people in full watch my video please. What is covered by building insurance verification in full detail in this video? Let's start the video. Please like my channel, share my channel, comment my channel, subscribe to my channel. Building insurance cover in the building insurance structure and then you are completed in additional and that you can leases and the commercial intenses. For example, in building insurance and the cover and the related to if a fire and damage it in your building insurance and the cover and the cost of the mentioned and the death was and the protection floors and the claims verification Primarily and installing in the picture your requirement and the same your intentional and the damage your bursting and the rape and the pipe and windows and the broken and bias and stolen and the homeowner in the building insurance and the does not and the cover office and requirement and the homeowner and the movable and the property and which we homeowner you and Mike and also verification and want to get and properties verification and dimensional protection and is you hold then type and property insurance and protection insurance and building insurance and typically does not and not offers and protection and against your property and the plots you are equally and protection and is required and the plot and insurance and the requirement and how are building insurance verification and verification property insurance and difference. Homeowner property insurance and verification and protection and pension and depending verification homeowner in the cone you are building but is also everything and property and is it is the verification and additional and just outside in if to including and electronic futures verification equipment and the significant and the landscape and the documents and the visibility and the verification and other property. Who needs building insurance coverage? Commercial and lenders verification need extra coverage and offered by the building insurance and they are to accident verification damage your property as standards. General liability insurance and the commercial and the property insurance and the policies will be in the likely and protection and exclusion in the for people and who your verification and rent hour and more and then your size significant and property and damage yourself and small and business homeowner and who your work and states you have and specific specialize in insurance for buildings verification to reduce and their risk and expensive and will be verification and costly repair and how do I get in the building insurance policies landscape and obtain building insurance and the verification and the property listen and the LRO and the similar generally liability insurance and LRO protect and against your liability claims your protection visitor to who your trips and broken strips and against a person and injury to own your property and while to break and protection and protect your building least and the prone damage. Together, the policies offer and building liability insurance and the protection business property insurance and similar and there's your business homeowner and the policies and audit verification and me and the risk specialization on homeowners. What are my building insurance coverage option? What is the building insurance you are have and the faring choices and the term shows the multiple and coverage and the you can which and to purchase it and your verification how you are have property in the per verification the total amount and the coverage you will be every building and your homeowner and the trans truly the damaged and the second single and includes and the verification basically and the damage and the total verification and protection and the cost damage your event and the insurance will be covered and the agreement limit. The agreement limits and verification and the maximum and protection and protection liability and detectable and policy detectable and protection and liability and the protection and significant and protection. Significant and protection in liability protection and amount to can you are easily and affordable your benefits and from insurance and will be verification actual cash and value. Actual cash and value one be verification and protection calculating and more be verification And insurance and the company. And insurance in the company verification and worth and the deductible and home your verification being and expensible and protection. The replacement value and another verification in insurance companies to your calculator and property claims your offer table and protection and financial and everything and higher premium protection. Higher protection and premiums and based on your actual cash your how much does and building insurance costs. Property homeowner leases in the single unit and expect verification building and verification and protection and calculating and other property insurance and the protection commercial and properties and such as the and type of properties and such as the requirement and commercial and their location and your properties and dimension and social security system and security verification. What other type of insurance you need? Building insurance you listen and only insurance and the you cover and the most and risk of your rating and properties and damages and but they are only policies needing an additional and coverage your phone and the landscape and verification layer and the state and the professionals and consider include general liability insurance. A general liability coverage and policies and the holder verification risk and homeowner and the trips on and losses and the guarantees verification and building insurance in USA and full detail in this video. Please watch my full video and subscribe my channel, share my channel, comment my channel and like my channel. Verification and errors and damageable and the protection and insurance and the company's videos and the coverage and defensible verification. Works compensation and business homeowners verification, commercial auto insurance and full detail verification in the cyber verification, business interest and insurance and equipment and from your professional and professional and US and the carriers and the protection and will be care and makes yourself and the protection and get you are there and liability and property and the coverage and protection and real estate and business owners and the you and find and right policies and typically and benefits and coverage in 24 hours. How much it does insurance and cost verification and the real how to avoid and common threat and the tips and prevention and damage your business and thing and the amount commercial building insurance and protection in the season and reassessment and full detail in this video. And home revision claims and verification and the photographics and verification type of hair verification, protection, liabilities verification and protection and 20 insurance and individual and program and LLC and the solution and protection and individual information and provide in the website and contribution and the contents and protection and full detail in this video. Please like my channel, comment my channel, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.